Hi, I'm Jamie Govia. I'm the Managing Director of Easy Trim Roofing and Construction Products, who are a manufacturer of roofing, accessories, ventilation and flat and pitch roofing products supplying throughout the UK. We're so proud and excited to make it to this point, to be finalists in not just one but 2 awards. I think it's an amazing recognition of the hard work, not just from me and the management team, but more importantly to all the staff. It really is a motivational recognition for over 100 staff throughout the business, and we really are grateful.
So I'm Joanna Hankinson, Marketing Manager of Lancashire Trade Frames. We're one of the country's leading window and door manufacturers based in Bury. Our aim is to provide the best without charging the earth. If you're in business, you'll agree that's a tall order, but it's one that at Lancashire Trade Frames we're achieving every single day. We're a family business at Lancashire Trade Frames, and a lot of the key members of staff are from the family, and we also employ within the Bury area, supporting the local community.
I'm Sam Ashton, I'm the Commercial Director at Packaging Automation Limited. Packaging Automation designs and manufactures a range of specialist machinery for the packaging of food in the UK and export markets. Being involved in the E3 Awards means a huge amount to all of our employees. We're so proud of the immense success that we've had over the past 4 years, and everyone's had a part to play in that. This is recognition of all of their hard work and is a fantastic milestone on our journey to double the size of the business in 5 years. The exposure that the E3 Awards offers us helps us to demonstrate to our customers and industry peers that we are leaders in our field.
Hi, I'm Chris Smith, Managing Director of Pendle Engineering in Nelson, Lancashire. Pendle Engineering are a supplier of subcontract steel fabrication services to a wide range of sectors, including rail, defence, automotive, leisure products and office furniture. So I think one of the things about the E3 Awards is that it covers such a large geographical area. So being compared to companies all over Merseyside, Cheshire, Cumbria as well as Lancashire is really a wonderful thing. Everyone plays a part in winning or even being a finalist in an award like this, so just to be recognised in this way is fantastic testament to the team.